咪呀炆瘦肉，俾我淋啲啊炒㗎，
炒嘅。
係啊。
Hello everyone! Hello mga auntie! This is your Auntie Pretty Daily Life Vlogs. At ito nga gagawa ang inyong auntie ng ating baby pork rib roast. Roast siya. I'm going to roast it. So ito I have my baby pork ribs here, washed, cleaned and dry. I'm just putting all the spices like dried oregano, dried rosemary or thymes. Naglagay din ako dyan ng salt and pepper, black pepper. Be generous putting some salt and black pepper. Tapos rub tayo ng smoked paprika. I put some Dijon mustard. I will rub a Dijon mustard in the ribs. And naglagay din po ako dyan ng red wine. Red wine para po Anyway, andyan po yung ating garlic, onions, bay leaves, and then Worcestershire sauce. Nag-spray din po tayo dyan ng ating olive oil. Anyway, ang ating recipe is nasa ating screen. Nasa video po siya. Makikita nyo po dyan. Just make sure makita nyo at mabasa. And this is for our today's dinner and for their lunch tomorrow ng mga amo pagpasok. So ito, sisil ko na siya ng ating foil. Make sure tight po siya or kailangan doblihin nyo para sure na hindi siya mapasukan ng air para hindi po siya dry pag naluto na. And we will put it in the oven, 200 Celsius degrees for 2 to 3 hours. So this is for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody's liked the recipe for today. Thank you. Have a good day.